Now more than ever, it's clear that you can't depend on a job. If you have a health emergency and can't go to work and are stuck at home, what are you going to do? You need a side hustle, a different source of income, passive income, multiple streams of income. You didn't know you could make money online? In 2010, when I started looking for ways to make money online, I was afraid to commit to a platform and spend money. I didn't know which one to buy. Everybody that makes money online needs tools, needs software. Everybody that makes money online needs training and a mentor. Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform, has 30 apps that you can make money with. Builderall is completely beginner friendly, so I decided to sink my money into Builderall. Builderall is very beginner friendly, and so that's why I made my decision to become a Builderall affiliate. If you ever considered making money online, and especially now in these times, this is the platform for you. If you're afraid because you don't know how to do things online, you don't know how to make web pages, you don't know how to make sales funnels, this is the plan for you. Builderall has all the training that you need. It has websites with training on them, and it has Facebook groups with support, and there are people from Builderall in the website groups that answer questions right away. It's the most supportive groups, the most supportive platform I've ever been part of. You will be an expert in no time. And if that's not enough for you, there's a 14-day free trial to try it out. In 2010, I lost my job. I started looking for ways to make money online. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I took some online courses. I learned about sales funnels and landing pages and email marketing and drop shipping and e-commerce. And now I use my YouTube channel to show other people how to make money online using the Builderall tools. Now, it will work with any tools, the ways I'm showing people how to make money online, but I use Builderall, so that's what I'm showing people. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. It's for beginners and gurus alike, okay? Beginners. Now, the Cheetah Builder is the newest website builder, okay? Remember to take the 14-day free trial now. Google score is 92 on speed, okay? Nothing is 92 on speed. You can go do a search, Google search on what the best websites are. You know, Builderall beats ClickFunnels and all the rest of them. We have the highest score with the Cheetah funnel, the new Cheetah funnel, okay? You just don't get websites, you get sales funnels, you get all these apps, you get about 30 apps that you can use, okay, to make money. Click subscribe to my channel because I go through all the apps and how you make money with each one. Okay, you can generate leads, generate sales, create an event. You know, this is all the sales funnels that you can have: squeeze funnel, reverse funnel, lead magnet, bridge funnel, funnel application, video sales funnel, sales letter, membership. I'm not gonna blah, 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 all the day long reading them, but they're there. There's 100 of them. Okay, funnel flow. Okay, A/B split tests. You name it. Checkout pages, like email. They have its own email software, email follow-up, autoresponder. Okay, software. Okay, they have it with one platform on the same thing for one low price. You can get it for free. Okay. You can get it for free. You get 0 domains. You get 100 subscribers in your email. Okay, you get basically one website. If you're doing it for a business, you can get it for free. And then you can get it for 19. There's different levels. Okay, and get it. Okay, affiliate program. You wanted to learn how to be an affiliate marketer, so Builderall has an affiliate program of its own. And the premium is $69.90, but you can get a free program. You can get one for $29.90. I think there's one for $40, but the premium to get all the tools is $69.90, and you could be an affiliate for Builderall. And I'm going to show you how you're going to make a lot of money. Now, besides, how many sales can you make in a year? So, out of the people that I bring into Builderall, how many sales can I make? Let's say that I'm not a very good salesman. Let's say I can only do one sale a week. week. So I make one sale a week in a year. So if I make one sale a week in a year, that's 52 weeks in a year, right? And you're making $1,000 a month. This is residual income because recurring billing program. They pay $69.90 a month, and you're going to get $1,000 a month once you have 52 sales. Now, out of those 52 people, how many of those people would want to sell Build and Roll too? Because you get it's a two-tier system, so you're going to get payments off the people that come in under you. Just the two. It's not multi-level marketing. It's not craziness. Okay, this is to help you support the people below you, to train them, to help them. So if you come in under me, it's in my best interest to help you learn how to do it, show you where all the training is, so that you can become successful too, because I'm going to make money off of you. So how many affiliates out of the 52? Now I would say that'd be like half, but let's say it's not. Let's say it's like 16. All right, which is like, so there's the 16 people in your circle. Here I am, and here's the 16 people around me. They're on my team, 2 tiers deep. And now out of those 16 people, how many sales can they make in a year? So now in that year time, I made 52 sales. Let's say that they're terrible, they're worse than me. Let's say they make only 1 sale a month in that year, so they make 12. All right, they make 12 sales each. And now this is in a year period. Nothing happens overnight. This isn't overnight success. You're building a business. It takes a year's time. Sometimes it takes more, but in a year's time, if you make 52 sales, 16 people agree to join you, and those 16 people make 1 sale a month, you're going to be making $5,000 a month residual income coming in without you doing anything else. You're making residual passive income, $5,000 a month. And as you can see, this is very conservative numbers, okay? So, I mean, and you got to realize you're using the Build and Roll platform and the 30 tools to make money, as I just showed you, okay? So, like and subscribe to the channel. Get Build and Roll, take the 14-day free trial. Do it now. What do you got to lose? All the training in the world, okay? Take the 14-day free trial for Build and Roll. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know you take the 14-day free trial. When the free trial's over and you've signed up for good, I'll help you with the training, and I'll help you after you've tried it out and you've figured out how much money that you can make with Build and Roll. I'll show you where to get all the training, and I'll show you my videos that'll teach you how to make money with all the apps, okay?